Ready to snag some sweet deals and save money while shopping on TikTok. Let's dive into how to use coupons and claim those valuable TikTok shop vouchers. First, browse the TikTok shop and find a product you love. Look closely at the product page. See that coupon offer right below the product price. That's our target. Tap that coupon button. It usually says something like Get Coupon or Claim Now. Go ahead and press it. A pop-up will confirm that the coupon has been added to your account. Nice work. Now, let's find those TikTok shop vouchers. Head over to your profile page. You can find it by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, look for the Orders button. It might also say My Orders. Tap on it. Inside the Orders section, find and tap on Shop Coupons. This is where all your available TikTok shop vouchers are stored. Here, you'll see a list of vouchers. Read the terms and conditions carefully. Some vouchers might have minimum spending requirements. During checkout, the discount will automatically apply if the criteria is met. Happy shopping!